So this is the box it comes in, and the box is not too big. I've already opened it, and inside the box we can see that there is a free cover which it came with. It's black color, and the device itself, it's also a black color, and I haven't opened it yet, so let's see what's inside. So this is a free cover, magnetic one, that comes with this e-reader. Let's put it aside, and this is what it looks like. It's almost square. It looks very high quality in comparison to the cover which I had for my old Kindle. It was original cover by Amazon, but I think it was on the same level. Maybe this one even better. The logo is printed very nicely, and the quality of the outside and the inside material is very pleasing, so I like it, and I like the color of the inside a lot. Alright, so this is the actual device. Let's see what's inside. Open the box. It's pretty small, by the way. It was 7-inch in the specs, but I thought it would be larger. Although here we are. So in comparison to my Pixel, it's not supposed to be too big, and the packaging is nice, you see. So it came in the big box, then there were in this small box which I've opened, then there is packages for the books itself and for the case, and then here we go. Here it is. So yeah, it's fairly small, which probably good because it's gotta be portable, so you can carry it everywhere and read as much as you can. How do I open it? Okay, this is the way to open it. And by default, it has image on the screen. That's because it does not consume any energy, because it's just the way e-ink works. So it's just there. The pixel density looks amazing, and the picture looks very nice on the sun. I like the brightness, and that's the reason I went for a monochrome version instead of the colored one, because the colored peak brightness is not as high because of this extra layer of the colored pixels, which also have lower pixel density, which I don't like that much. The buttons, they look like metallic ones, and they look very nice. So they're supposed to help to switch the pages. And yeah, the back side, it's very pleasing. Okay, so let's try to put it in the case. I think it goes like this. Yeah, it's magnetic, and here we go. Whoa, quite nice. So yeah, I'm not sure how to start it. Yeah, probably like this. Come on. Yeah, so now it's starting. And let's see what's inside. Make a difference. Okay, while it's loading, this progress bar is updating pretty frequently, and there is no blinking or whatsoever, which I didn't like in my previous Kindle e-reader. And it looks more like a monochrome screen, just a regular one. Okay, let's go for English United States and continue. Okay, this is a user agreement and privacy policy. Let's say that I have read all of that stuff. Let's go for United States. No, that's not the country of my choice as of now. And the scrolling is pretty good. I mean, I don't see the actual scrolling progress, but it's pretty pleasing. Okay, so I have to choose this as well. And yeah, the time will be set automatically. Auto sleep 5 minutes suits me well. Navigation bar or bottom gestures. Let's keep the bottom gestures as default for now. And yeah, that's the guide. So you go up and down via gestures on the left side in order to change the volume, and also you have the same for what? Yeah, so that's the from left to right, left and right gestures in order to do what? Okay, whatever. And then yeah, connect the stylus. I didn't order that one because that one is not in stock yet, so I don't have a pen. Sorry for that, but maybe I'll get it in the future. Okay, and setup is complete. I'm starting my new Boox now. Yay! Okay, so this is pretty good. This is pretty nice. And you have default apps. You have AI assistant here, calculator. Let's try that one. I believe my son will love it. And I don't know what this, but it looks like additional tool on top of my button. Okay, so just like on iPad, I go. Yeah, okay, it works. Nice. And there is a browser, and a music app, and a clock. Okay, clock is very basic, but it's rather classic. Calendar. Okay, I love it. So yeah, I'll play with it, and maybe I'll record another video about the software and the reading experience and all the rest of it. Thank you.